In this video, I'll show you how to hide phone number on Telegram. So if for any reasons you want to do this, maybe for your privacy reasons or for security purposes, I'm going to walk you through what you're going to do and how you're going to do it. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, head over to your Telegram account. If you want to hide your Telegram phone number, your phone number for any reasons on Telegram, click on these icons, on this dotted icon right here. Go to the settings. From the settings, click on the privacy and security, right? So wait for it to load up. So this is the privacy and settings. This is the privacy and security. And if you look right here, you can see who can see my phone number. I can click on this. I can make it to be nobody, right? It can be nobody. So once I've set this to nobody, nobody can be able to see my Telegram number. I will just hide my Telegram number, right, on my phone number here on Telegram. So if you found this video helpful, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.